Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. Today we are installing adjustable Heim joint end links on the MX5. Check it out. So first thing, we gotta get underneath the MX5 and take out the original end links that are still in there. I've jacked up the car, just put them on little blocks just to get it a little bit higher so I can get underneath. Hopefully that's going to make it a little bit easier. So let's get to it. Okay, that was a bit more difficult than I thought. It's quite difficult to film under there, as well as try and loosen everything. But you saw me getting started on the first nut. The other one's on the other side, so I had to go in from the side of the car, which made it a little bit more difficult. But anyway, got it out. Now I'm gonna set the distance of the Heim joint end link, which is adjustable. So it's the same length as the original one, seeing as I don't have aftermarket suspension or aftermarket sway bars in at the moment. We're gonna keep it on the original length and work from there. So let's get to it. Okay, so now that we got it the same distance, it's time to get back in there and get it back. I'm gonna see if I can film a little bit as I get it in, but it is quite difficult here in the front. There's got to be an easier way to do this. I don't know if I'm just an idiot, but it's quite difficult getting in there. Anyway, I got it hand tightened, so I just need to torque it down and then jump onto the other side. So let's just do that. That one's in. That was quite difficult. Very cramped, very tight space, but I got it in, got it tight. Now it's time for the other side. Whew, wish me luck. Okay, I got them in. That was quite tough, but now I can jump onto the back. The back should be a whole lot easier, way more space, and a lot easier to get into it. But let's jump to that, get that done quickly, and then we can give it a test drive and see if everything's good. There we go. One side in the back is done. Now I can jump onto the other side. I'm not going to show you that. It's the same process. It's a whole lot easier than the front. And then we can drop it down, take it for a test drive. There it is, guys. We are done. As you can see, she drives beautifully. No weird noises, no rattling, no clunking. It sounds perfect. It works, it handles, and I think that is a success. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and I will see you on the next one. See ya.